Chapter 5, Continuity and Differentiability. Derivative of functions in parametric form. Okay, so let x is equal to f of t, y is equal to g of t, where t belongs to R. Suppose these are the two functions, one x in terms of t and y in terms of t, and you are asked to find out dy by dx. Then what is the method? First you find out derivative of x with respect to t. So derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt is equal to derivative of f of t will be what? F dash t. Then you find out derivative of y with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to derivative of gt, that will be g dash t. Now according to rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So that is equal to dy by dt is what? G dash t upon dx by dt is what? F dash t. So here condition is denominator should not be 0, means f dash t should not be 0. Okay. So what we understood, derivative function in parametric form. Suppose x is f of t, y is g of t, where t is any real number. Then first you find out dx by dt, that is f dash t. Then you find out dy by dt, that is g dash t. And finally dy by dx is defined as dy by dt upon dx by dt, that is equal to g dash t upon f dash t, where f dash t is not equal to 0. One example we'll see. Suppose x is equal to sin t and y is equal to cos t, and you are asked to find out dy by dx. So first you find out dx by dt. What is dx by dt? Derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt. Derivative of sin t is cos t. Then you find out dy by dt. So dy by dt is equal to what is the derivative of cos t minus sin t. Now dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dt upon dx by dt. So what is dy by dt? Minus sin t upon cos t. Means cos t should not be 0. So here cos t should not be 0. Cos t should not be 0 means t should not be what? T should not be what? All odd multiples of pi by 2. 2k plus 1 pi by 2. 2k plus 1 pi by 2, where k belongs to z. So if t is any other value than this, that is 2k plus 1 pi by 2, then dy by dx is defined, and it is minus sin t upon cos t, that is equal to minus tan t. If t is a multiple of pi by 2, then what happens? Here suppose we are taking pi by 2, I am taking pi by 2 and k is 0. So cos of pi by 2 will be 0. So it means in that case dy by dx will be undefined. So t should not be what? 2k plus 1 pi by 2. If t is any multiple of this 2k plus 1 pi by 2, if t is any one of the value of 2k plus 1 pi by 2, then denominator will be 0 and you will not get a dy by dx as defined part. So therefore t should not be, here you should write t is not equal to 2k plus 1 pi by 2, where k belongs to z. So this is the method to find out derivative of the function in parametric form.